stop the burnout. Time management secrets in this video are coming for thriving entrepreneurs and business owners. Hi there, business owners and entrepreneurs. Feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, like there's less time, there's not enough hours in a day? Then you are not alone. But this does not have to be this way. In this video, I am sharing with you powerful time management secrets. These secrets successful thriving entrepreneurs use to beat burnout and stay productive without sacrificing their health or happiness. So grab a coffee and let's reclaim your time and energy in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell if you are ready to thrive and not just survive. Let's be very real. Burnout isn't just being tired. It's chronic stress, loss of focus, irritability, even health issues. And the worst part, most of the entrepreneurs think working harder is the solution when the answer is actually smarter time management. Time block your energy, not just your task. This is very important. Start scheduling your high energy hours and high impact work. Are you most alert in the morning? I want to ask you. That's when you should tackle strategy, deep work, decision making. Save low energy hours for emails, admin work, or even rest. I would love to give you a pro tip. This tip is use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes focus and 5 minutes of break to protect your energy from crashing. Tip number 2, delegate or delete ruthlessly. You don't need to do everything. Entrepreneurs burn out because they hold on low value tasks. So delete what doesn't drive growth. Delegate something to someone else who can do 80% as well as you do. You may use tools like Trello and Toggle Track or ClickUp to assign and track, but not to micromanage. Tip 3, set boundaries like a CEO. Stop working round the clock. Set non-negotiable work hours, off hours, and just stick to them. Turn off the notifications. No business calls after 7 p.m. Remember, your brain needs recovery time to perform and its best. Like I have chosen and I'm working on having Friday, Saturday, Sunday as ease days, less work days, or the work of my choice. And believe me, yes, I understand this is not easy, but at least I can start with gradual, slow steps, small steps. Tip 4 again is weekly reviews for clarity and control, and Friday is the best day for it. Winning Work Week Formula is going to help you. You can also check this playlist of time management and Winning Work Week playlist, which is going to help you with a series of videos what you have to do on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays being your powerhouse days. Thursday is a day where you have to see the completion and the money movement, how much was achieved. Friday is your review and your reset day where you will celebrate what you have done well and you will see what is missing and you will document it all to start your next week well. And this is also a planning day. And SASU weekend, Saturday and Sunday weekend. So every week, as I said, block 30 minutes for review. The Friday is the best day for this. What worked? What drained you? What needs to be changed? What was missed? This one habit, if you will take from me, from this video, it will give you auto correction. It will prevent chaos. You will get clarity, and clarity is power. If you are ready to build a thriving business without the burnout, implement just one of these strategies this week. Let's go slow and let me know in the comments which one you will start with. Drop a comment. I am choosing time blocking or delegation or boundaries or week reviews. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. And thank you for watching. Here's to thriving and not just surviving. And see you in my next video. I'm Dr. Nahid Khan and I do time audit, which is time, identity, your inner mindset. M is money, the financial GPS, and the E is energy alignment. With time audit, you come to know which area, how much is your productivity unlocked and where is your productivity locked. So working with a professional with Winning Work Week Formula and Human SWOT analysis really makes a lot of sense. Looking forward to have you in my room. Thank you.